On your marks, get set.
Oh! Okay, so today is signature day and I'm going to start making my cream egg brownies. So I'm just adding the eggs and sugar to a bowl and then I'm going to mix them together. Would you say that's milkshake quality? So I'm just melting the chocolate and the butter together. I'm just going to pour it in bit by bit. Just folding it in. Gently folding it in. They need to go in for 25 minutes. It's not rising. No, I wasn't meant to put the eggs on yet.
Should we try one of these?
That's very good as well. It's a great blend between the mango and the coconut.
Some type of mango
Lovely flavours.
coconut.
I think you've done well.
Thank you.
Well done, lovely.
Very neat, very precise, very accurate.
And I lust after this necklace.
It's very you, Prue.